Hello kids. Today we will see the subject English and topic opposites. The first concept is big and small. We have two objects, apple and strawberry. Can you see which one is big and which one is small? Yes, an apple is big and a strawberry is small. Can you see an ant and an elephant? Yes, an ant is small and an elephant is big. Big and small. The next concept is tall and short. Can you see a boy and a girl? Yes, a boy is tall and a girl is short. Kids, can you see a plant and a tree? Yes? Yes. A plant is short and a tree is tall. Tall and short. Come on, let's have a guessing game. Kids, which one is tall and which one is short? Yes, very good. The giraffe is tall and the monkey is short. The next concept is heavy and light. Kids, can you see a bus and a feather? Yes, a bus is heavier and a feather is light. Kids, we have a cherry and a pineapple. Can you guess which one is light and which one is heavy? Yes, a pineapple is heavier than cherry and cherry is light. The next concept is full and empty. Kids, can you see two baskets? Yes, the first basket is empty. The second one is full of apples. We have two glasses. The first glass is empty. The second one is filled with milk, which is full. Full and empty. The next concept is inside and outside. We have an apple is inside the basket and the other one is outside the basket. Kids, can you guess which one is inside and which one is outside? Yes, the dog is inside the kennel and the another one is outside the kennel. And the next concept is long and short. Can you see two pencils? Which one is long and which one is short? Yes, the above one is long and the below one is short. Here we have two scales. The first one is long and the second one is short. Long and short. And the next concept is thick and thin. Here we have two candles, red one and white one. The red candle is thin and the white candle is thick. We have two books. The first book is thick. The second one is thin. Okay, find out which one is thick and which one is thin. Yes, the first one is thick and the second one is thin. Let's learn more examples. Old, young, boy, girl, hot, cold, silent, noise, left, right, happy, sad, open, close, wet, dry, standing, sitting. strong, weak, fast, slow, light, dark, man, woman, day, night, sugar, salt, up, down, cry, laugh, same, different, on, off,